is he here? Are you there, yung UN representative, na sinabi mo na sabok will not affect the brain? Are you here? Raise your right hand if you're here. Do not worry. I will just do not the word delude us into yung mga ano ninyo na but we know every day that one family rape, dalawa, all are dead. Then you trivialize it with human rights and due process. Okay ako niyan. When you go into an anger, you burst with rage, okay yan. But with so many killings as brutal and as cruel as what happened, if you add human rights and due process, you stink and your mouth smells. If you want to criticize, condemn the act, stop there. But do not give the excuse or do not make it trivial by saying human rights at least must be protected. Yan ang pinakabugok magawa ng isang tao. When you criticize, stick on one topic. Then you find an event where you can talk about human rights and due process. But do not talk about it at the same time when there is a carnage and you begin to blabber, talk about human rights. Lalong nagagalit ang tao. May namatay dyan, nakalak mo sino man. What have you done in the name of human rights? 77, you have the records. You can summon the police. 77 before I became president. All drug-related, 77,000. And you trivialize that with a conference, at saka pumunta dito, ang tatanungin yung nasa prisuhan. Na pinriso dahil just imagine, I challenge you. You want a debate in public? Okay, we'll have it. I will challenge you how also you trivialize the thing by binibigyan yung importansya si Dilima. You all know, you will all hear, you conducted the investigation. You heard the witnesses. You saw the videos. Is she a credible woman? Can she be a moral person? Hirap. Puro kayo drama dyan sa... When you talk about that incident, talk about it, then condemn the police. But do not connect it with due process and human rights. Magbuka kang gago sa harap ng Pilipino. You know why I got this rating? I could not be brighter than you. And my work is not more important, or your vocation is not less than mine. But when you talk in public, carry the proper message. Kaya mag-itito kayo, binibombahan kasi ako ninyo ng ganon. Sabihin naman ng mga tao, tama yan. Tama yan si Duterte. Kasi nangyayari. Kayo parang fruit jump, pag ganon-ganon. Pag may namatay dyan na maraming massacre, na rape mga bata, hindi kayo umiimik. Maya-maya pagdating ng mga... Pagdating nitong mga Western expert ko, no, you give them so much premium and importance. Puta, saan ba ang utak ninyo eh? Bakit kayo believe dyan sa puti? Tingnan mo ang puti. Panahon ni Obama. Una yung spokesman ng State Department. Kala mo sino? Kala na mas bright pa sila sa akin. Then the staff of the President, then Obama. Would like to remind said the policy of the state. Yari ako, pagdating ni Trump, oh yes, Mr. President, I've been expecting your call. You're doing it all right. I'm doing the deed and this goddamn uwi na ako. So, that's the value of the country that you value. Ambivalent. Parang electric fan. Okay dito, o hindi na okay. It's vacillating. Tapos kayong mga Indians, believe kayo. Hindi ko talaga maintindihan Pilipino. It takes for an American to say that I'm a son of a bitch. And it takes an American to say, oh, you're great, you're a hero in your country. O saan ako pumunta nito ngayon? It is time for us to fulfill our mandate to protect our people from these crimes that have victimized. You know, wag ninyo akong takot-takotin yung preso yung International Court of Justice. Shit, I'm willing to go to prison for the rest of my life. Ang importante sa akin, ginawa ko yung gusto ko. Alam mo kasi, in this country, it is a rule of majority. I did it for the 50 plus 1. Because in a vote of 100, I get 51. 50 plus 1. 50 is 1 up. 1, that is majority of 1. I win. Yung 49, yun yung mga, I do not have to make them happy. But when the time comes, kung malasin ako, pupunta ako sa prison, do not worry about me. I can take it. Nung maliit pa ako, labas na pasok ako sa... Wala pa yung Lone Pangilinan, labas-pasok na ako sa prison. Kunin yung record ninyo sa police doon sa Davao. Takutin. He will be prosecuted. Hoy, abogado ako. Well, because I will insist. Sabi ko nga, everybody is entitled to come here and question me. But I have to question you also. At para magaling, let us make it official. We go to court. And we tell the judge that we are hearing by a international body. Can we have it judicially recorded? And now we place them under oath. Mahuli ko matalaga yan sila. May pinatay ako, tama yan. When I was mayor, a little over, for 23 years ako mayor ng Davao. Pagkita mo ang Davao ngayon. We have been LGUs before. What city is now hitting 9 growth %? Eh, nandoon pa kami sa Mindanao, binubumba pa kami sa Davao. Davao is 9 growth. Oh, tapos sabihin nyo, ngayon, paano i-9 mo, palabas mo itong 9 ng you're about to hit 6 or sabi nila. Pero pakayaan mo lang ako, mag-abot ito ng 21. The highest in the world. Kayo lang tigapigil eh.